A city in Tamil Nadu, Chennai, is hiding coronavirus death data. Is Chennai hiding the number of deaths caused due to the coronavirus? The difference in the data provided by the government and the numbers provided by the health officials has triggered a controversy in the city. The curious case of missing data on deaths due to the coronavirus in Chennai has sparked the controversy. Till now, 230 cases has been announced as death by the Directorate of Public Health in Chennai. However, in media now the news has spread like the Tamil Nadu have not recorded to around 250 coronavirus deaths. A team of Directorate of Public Health officials found that the death register maintained by the health officer had recorded 250 more deaths than the state register. Now the fatality rate is around 0.7% reported by the state officials, and if we add more than 250 deaths, the fatality rate will increase to 1.6%. And also the health minister and the chief minister of Tamil Nadu are saying that we have no intention of hiding any deaths, and the Tamil Nadu is very transparent in showing the numbers of coronavirus patients. All the government medical college hospitals and private hospitals have to report the deaths to the state and city corporation. The investigation committee panel is set up to sort out the huge mismatch in the tally of coronavirus death. And around 230 deaths are registered, and amount of cases which is not registered is more than 250, which actually doubles the number of deaths which has been actually reported by the state government. And many private and few government hospitals, health officials say that they have not informed the coronavirus deaths to the health department. People living in Chennai claims that in hospitals there is a lack of ventilators, ICU beds and the lack of staffs. This started spreading in the social media after the former newsreader in Tamil Nadu, S. Varadarajan, posted a video stating that one of his family friend tested positive for coronavirus, and also there were no beds available in Chennai hospitals to provide the treatment. The video went viral and many supported Varadarajan, and also many cited their same experience or the experience they faced because of coronavirus infections from government as well as private hospitals in Chennai. However, the Tamil Nadu health minister refused to accept the claims which has been spread in social media. He is saying that around 75,000 beds are across Tamil Nadu and 5,000 beds are in Chennai alone. The health minister also said that he is planning to increase the bed capacity of coronavirus cases. But as per the research, we found that around the 13 hospitals in Chennai have 0 ICU beds, and also in other hospitals 70% of the beds have been occupied by coronavirus patients. And also the ventilator service is not available in most of the hospitals in Chennai. The unreported coronavirus deaths in Chennai could bring serious threat. Also, it may double the city's count. The High Court has raised the question to the government concerned over the rising of coronavirus cases in Chennai. And also the High Court has asked to give explanation to the government, which includes the complete lockdown or curfew to at least contain the spread in Chennai and surrounding the areas for some time. The last decision announced by the government regarding the lockdown was on May 31st, and after that, some relaxations were announced. And no further decision has been taken by the Tamil Nadu government after this on the lockdown. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button to get more videos.